Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to do a helicopter showroom animation like this. We've designed this concept helicopter in our previous tutorial, so I will leave that link in the description so you go check that out. First of all, if you are not using the same scene as I am, go to Appearance tab and under Studio Scenes it's called Traffic Light. Like that. Okay. Let's fix the shadow. Go to Edit Scene. Select this face and offset it 20 millimeters. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Go to View, Lights and Cameras, add a camera. There are two options here. Aimed at target or floating. Leave it and select this point as the target. Come down here and change the aspect ratio to 16.9. Okay. If your lights and camera scenes doesn't come up here, go to Options, and under Feature Manager there is Lights, Camera, Scenes. It's automatic, you can make it show. Okay. Let's add a spotlight. Let's reduce the brightness and locked model. Okay. Go to Camera 1 and Camera View. Go to Motion Study. Now we are in Camera 1 view. Expand Lights, Camera, Sensing folder and let's minimize and drag the time bar to 10 seconds and drag the keyframe of the camera to here. Double click it and come down to this right window. Press Ctrl and middle mouse button. It let us drag the view. Let's rotate and zoom in. Okay. Now we have made an animation using keyframes of the camera. So if we calculate under camera view, This is what our showroom animation will look like. So let's add some effects. Let's add some more. Bring the time bar to 1 second. Drag the initial keyframe to 1 second. Go to 3 seconds. Copy this frame and come down here and paste it. Double click and again come to the right window. That looks good. Press the green check. Okay, go to 5 seconds. Again, copy this keyframe and paste it. Okay. Let's go to the 7 second and let's press a key here. Double click it to edit. Again, come to the right window. Yeah, make it like here. Okay. Again, come to the 9 second. Press a key. Double click it. Yeah, make it like that. Expand this keyframe to 15 seconds. Go to the 11 second and press a key. Double click it to edit. Zoom in. That looks enough. Again, go to the third frame. Press a key and double click it to edit. And come to the right window, because the right window allows us to edit the camera directly. Make it like that. Okay. And finally, let's calculate the animation. It looks cool, but I think it might be too fast. Okay, so let us expand this to 30 seconds. Bring the last key point 30 seconds and this one to 26. This one should be 22. And 18. And this one is 14. Yeah, let's calculate it again. Go to the first frame and display. Now that looks cool. By using only camera we can create a showroom animation like this. Now it looks like our helicopter is being, filmed by Top Gear or something. Okay, the animation looks cool. Go to save, select custom aspect ratio and choose 16:9 AVI. Here frames per second, make it 24. Save. I prefer the text me screen capture, so I will select that. Okay. Now Solidworks has started to save our animation. Okay, Solidworks has finished saving the animation to a video file. This is our animation. Let's open it. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and tell me what to do next down in the comments. And I hope I will see you soon. Thank you.